Different companies, different industries, different geographies, each have different ways of performing business analysis. The only thing that is common is business analyst competencies that are needed to elicit and analyze requirements and define solutions. In this session, you will learn about enhanced multi-level competency-based business analyst certification framework launched by IIBA in September 2016. By the end of this session, you would be able to decide which IIBA business analyst certification is appropriate for you. From September 2016, IIBA has launched 4-level enhanced certification framework. This enhanced certification framework is aligned to the latest practice analysis study. The enhanced certification framework has expanded in scope in terms of business analysis practiced at all levels in an organization, that is at operational level, at strategic level, at traditional project level. This framework evaluates competencies of business analysts at multiple levels. Competencies are defined for each level, and for each competency, business analysts need to have certain level of proficiency in terms of performance. This framework guides and prepare you for the next level as you gain more experience, knowledge and competencies. However, there is no need to go from level 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. You can attempt for any level if you are meeting prerequisites for that level. Hence, this framework provides support for complete career progression from entry through to retirement. IIBA has validated the enhanced certification framework, competencies, proficiency levels, and exam questions by involving well over 300 volunteers from global BA community at various stages of the work. Hence, this is truly a certification framework by business analysts for business analysts. With this background, let's understand various competency-based certifications offered by IIBA. Level 1 is a new entry-level certificate introduced in the enhanced certification framework. IIBA has named this level as Entry Certificate in Business Analysis, and the acronym is ECBA. This level recognizes individuals entering the business analysis profession. The target audience includes students enrolled in business analysis academic programs, new graduates from other disciplines who are learning and developing BA skills. The target audience also includes functional managers who manage business analysts and professionals with business or domain experience but no experience as business analyst and who want to transition or change career into business analysis. This level does not have any prerequisite in terms of business analysis work experience. This level is good for you if you do not have BA experience or are new to the profession. This level will only test applicants' knowledge and will set foundation for competency development in business analysis. Please note that this level does not require periodic recertification. The level 2 is Certification of Capability in Business Analysis, or CCBA. This level recognizes BA practitioners who are result-oriented and who actually perform the business analysis work. These individuals may or may not have official title as business analysts, but have experience and skills to perform business analysis work. This level has prerequisite of 2 to 3 years of experience in business analysis. This level is suitable for individuals working at any level within an organization, such as operational, strategic, or in projects. For example, a customer service officer may be involved in improving business processes at an operational level, or a divisional manager involved in improving customer services at a strategic level, or a project team member working on business analysis tasks and deliverables. This level is also suitable for project managers, testers, and quality assurance analysts who perform business analysis work along with their primary responsibilities and have enough BA hours to qualify. This level will test applicants' knowledge as well as experience in business analysis in form of a scenario-based exam. The situation-based questions are designed to test your competencies and ability to apply experience in a given situation to choose the best course of action. These are practical questions that will test what a BA performs on a daily basis to validate your business analysis experience. Please note that it is not necessary to go all the way from level 1 to 2 and to 2 and 3. You can attempt for any level if you are meeting prerequisites for that level. Any level up to level 3 can be taken directly and exam would be as per that level. The level 3 is a Certified Business Analyst Professional or CBAP, which is a gold standard certification. This level recognizes seasoned senior business analysts who look at bigger picture to lead and guide business analysis work at operational, strategic, or on projects of various sizes and complexities and are responsible for delivering business value. This level has prerequisites of minimum 5 years of experience in business analysis. This level will test applicants' expertise in business analysis in form of a case study based exam. The case study based exam questions will test your skills and ability to lead and guide business analysis work. The questions are designed to test practical application of your experience and guidance in solving or addressing more complex and unstructured business challenges or opportunities. Level 4 is a new highest level certification introduced in the certification framework. IIBA has named this level as Certified Business Analyst Thought Leader and the acronym is CBATL. This certification recognizes BA professionals who are experts in the field of business analysis or are industry thought leaders and are involved in advancing the BA profession by giving back to the BA community and also contribute to the evaluation of the BA practice. This level has prerequisites of minimum 10 years of experience in business analysis. This level will not have any exam and would be based on assessment of applicants' overall experience and contribution to the BA community. We will not be discussing requirements for level 4 in this course. To recap, in this session, we have learned about 4-level enhanced certification framework launched by IIBA. This enhanced certification framework has expanded scope in terms of business analysis practiced at all levels in an organization and evaluates competencies of business analysts at multiple levels. This framework guides and prepares you for the next level as you gain more experience, knowledge, and competencies. This framework provides support for complete career progression from entry through to retirement. Please note that it is not necessary to go all the way from level 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. You can attempt for any level if you are meeting prerequisites for that level. Any level up to level 3 can be taken directly and exam would be as per that level. You are requested to visit IIBA website, that is www.iiba.org, and check if there are any updates or changes. To explore further, you are welcome to take free sessions and enroll to the course.